In Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, we are starting Prelims cum Mains foundational batch from August 4th. Let us know the details about the course. Sir, please explain how we will be covering the course.
So, Chirita, here see, in this 8 months duration of conducting Prelims cum Mains foundation batch from August 4th, both online as well as offline at our Hyderabad, Vijayawada branches, we will be covering Prelims and Mains in an integrated fashion in these 8 months. So, the common topics of Prelims and Mains like history, geography, polity, economy, environment, science, technology will be covered along with main specific topics like ethics, essay writing, internal security, disaster management, etc. Also, we will ensure that whatever syllabus is covered in a week, there will be weekend exams. Both prelims as well as mains questions will be given on a weekly basis on the topics covered. Also, after finishing each subject, for example, let's say polity is finished, we will be conducting few grand tests of polity before moving on to the next subject. Also, we will be covering previous year's questions, especially of last 10 years, prelims and mains on every topic that we finish. We have already given a detailed list of topics from the UPSC notification, not the outline of syllabus, but we have broken down the syllabus into micro syllabus. This micro syllabus means subtopics of every topic are clearly mentioned and we are given the track sheet to the children. So from August 4th, as we cover the syllabus, students can easily understand which micro topics are being covered every day and accordingly they can prepare. Also for their preparation, we are providing comprehensive material. Sarat Chandra IAS Academy books of each subject along with free NCRTs, and we give free newspaper to every student who is enrolled in the offline course. Along with that, we give daily current affairs notes. We make the notes from the daily newspapers of around 6 pages. We give to them. Along with that, we give monthly current affairs magazines. So like that, we will be focusing on general studies, current affairs and optionals also. We provide 4 optionals. We coach students for political science, PSIR, anthropology, sociology and through literature for 5 months. Any optional we finish in 5 months. Also, we specially focus on ethics and essay writing because they are highly scoring. With less input, we can get more output, specifically from ethics and essay writing. Also, answer writing practice will happen regularly. We have personal mentors always available for offline students as well as online students. And these personal mentors will be tracking the preparation of every student. As I told you, student will be clearly ticking the micro topics that they finish. And students have to write down what they are reading every day, current affairs, static and optional. Also, they have to note down their weekend exam mocks and test series mocks. So, taking that as standard, our personal mentors will be tracking the students. They will clear the doubts of students, evaluate their papers, give feedback, monitor them, motivate them. And personal mentorship is a unique feature of Sarat Chandra IAS Academy because of which every student who enrolls in the coaching will be easily able to successfully complete syllabus for both prelims as well as mains.
Sir, how often do you conduct CSAT and current affairs classes?
Yes, Chilta, see, coming to CSAT, in many academies, CSAT is not a part of civils coaching. They provide separately for those students who opt for it. But at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, we made a point that CSAT is compulsory for all students. CSAT is a part and parcel of our 8 months Prelims cum Mains foundation batch. It's free, no extra charges for CSAT. We provide free coaching for CSAT. The reason being, last year, out of 5 lakh applicants who appeared for prelims examination, 4 lakh students failed at paper 2 CSAT because either arithmetic or reasoning or English was difficult. It was difficult. That's why at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy, every week we conduct classes on CSAT. We have almost 200 hours of CSAT coaching. So every student who comes out of our coaching will definitely clear CSAT examination. And coming to current affairs, I already told you, we provide newspaper, we provide daily current affairs notes of around 6 pages. We provide current affairs monthly magazines. and we conduct 5 prelims questions as an exam on daily newspaper, and every weekend we conduct current affairs exam, prelims and mains. Along with that, we teach weekly current affairs class every Saturday. That's how we focus on CSAT and current affairs. And now I told you how we focus on general studies, mains answer writing, essay, ethics and options.
Sir, how do we support students during the coaching and after the coaching?
Charita, see, during the classes, during the coaching, as I told you, we support the students through personal mentorship, through giving resources to them, and we conduct prelims and mains test series as a part and parcel of the coaching. And there will be interactive sessions with UPSC toppers who have taken coaching from us in the previous years and got very good ranks. Maybe 3rd rank Aranya Reddy comes sometimes to talk to students, 5th rank Ruhani, 22nd rank Pawan Datta, 24th Sahitya, they come sometimes to interact with students. They share their success strategy, how they wrote mains, their mains answer writing ideas, or prelims preparation techniques, whatever. This actually helps the students. This actually keeps the students motivated during the coaching. After the coaching, as you have asked me after the coaching is only for 8 months. But by the time they clear the examination, it takes another 8 months. Prelims exam, mains, into like that. So after the coaching, we continue our test series. They can attempt our prelims test series, mains test series. Mentorship will continue. We have mentors at our academy, offline and online, every day. I mean, anytime, any day, they can talk to the mentors and they can clear the doubts. Not only during coaching, after the coaching hours, till they get rank, we give a kind of hand holding to our students. That is the kind of support we provide, Sarita. And also, I forgot to tell you about the mock interviews. See, prelims and mains is one thing, interviews is another thing. So we have senior IAS and IPS IRS officers coming regularly to conduct mock interviews for the students who appeared for mains. One more thing I should tell you, Charita. One way of supporting students is by making them able to write other competitive exams. Though we train them for civil services, we know that there may be some students who miss civil examination. They may not be able to finish the examination. So we train the students in the State Public Service Commission exams also, because State Public Service Commission exams, 80% of syllabus is like UPSC, 20% is to prepare on their state geography, history, economy and current affairs, which we will be training them for around 6 to 7 weeks. With that, they'll be able to write several other competitive examinations. As we are training them for CSAT, we strengthen them in arithmetic, reasoning, mental aptitude. They'll be able to write the other central government examinations, SCB, IRD, APF, they can write. That is another kind of support provided. One more support we provide is, for any offline student, if they are unable to attend the classes due to health problems or what reasons, if they miss some classes, for the missed classes, we provide them live classes or recorded classes. This is the kind of support system we have for our students. In this Prelims cum Mains Foundation course, we are providing 20% concession to all the female candidates who enroll in this program.
Sir, please give us concluding remarks about the course.
Chitra, for this course, starting on August 4th, the Civil's Prelims cum Mains Foundation course, as I also take some classes, for example, I take essay writing classes, I teach some topics of geography, and I personally support students in the mains answer writing practice. I observe personally that though we are providing several resources and support system to students, like we provide material, NCRTs, newspaper, daily current affairs, printouts, weekend exams of prelims and mains, current affairs magazines, personal mentorship, recorded classes if they miss the classes, integrated test series, these are things providing, no? But students should use all these things. Most students attend only the classes and they go home. That is really useless. All the support systems or resources you're providing, they should make use of it. Only then they can get UPSC rank in the very first attempt. If not first, second attempt, they can easily get. So my concluding remarks are, institutes or our coaching academies contribution is 50%. Students' effort and their ability to use our resources and ask doubts is 50%. So students have to put effort. Only then all these resources will be useful to them.